Welcome to Where Art. Okay, I don't even know why I said welcome. You're already watching the video. So let's get straight to the final decision on this. Magic Word. Okay. This is the final image. I don't know. Still on the fence with it. It's not the style that I really was looking for, but then again, I'm not too sure what style was I looking for. This kind of feel like a throwback to the 80s, even earlier. I wasn't going for any real spectacular art, because it's supposed to be a story. Well, at least this couple of images in the beginning of this story is supposed to be like a bad video that somebody's looking at. And yeah, it wasn't supposed to be all spectacular, but this is Mordain, and he's coming out of the deep under roots of a giant tree, and he's bigger than the people that's going to be seeing him. But I had to cut out the people because I didn't like how I drew them, so I thought maybe as they were approaching, they saw this giant alien being here with apparently multiple arms and multiple heads kind of walking towards them. I don't know. Like I said, I'm still on the fence about it. It just doesn't feel right. Like a finished piece of artwork, or so on and so forth, as they would say. This is not finished. There is definitely signs of, yeah, could be done better in color rendering. But this is where I'm at right now with it, and I don't know if I'm going to alter it in any kind of way further. I might want to keep this like this and add in the distortions of the video to give it a look. But I don't think I'm going to do any more watercolor artwork until I can get a scanner that can scan watercolor well without bleaching out certain colors. That'll give me the texture, but still give me the color. You know, I expect the lightness and the darkness here. That's nature watercolor. And the drying issues, nature watercolor. But there's something I want that I'm not seeing or confident of. Hey, pick up some oopsie watercolor here. That can be fixed. That's nothing to fix right there. But I don't know. The image is going to be the image is not going to be that big, so therefore some of that issue in that image may not even be seen. So if you was looking at this on the, well, I can't even go smaller here. Looking at this probably on the web comic, you're not going to see all this. You may see this as a small panel in Canon large, so a lot of the mistakes are going to fade in the background, not be seen. So there's a debate on that, but I still don't like how the watercolor scanned in. So I have to come up with some other ideas, and if anybody has any ideas, comment down below. Make a video. I've already looked at some of the videos of watercolor scanning, but I still believe it's my scanner. A3 1200S Mustique, old scanner from way back. It was 11 by 17, and that's what was the reason of me keeping it, just like Photoshop 6. So this is Where Art. I'm gonna end this video right here and keep arting, everybody.